سورة المجادلة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قد سمع الله قول التي تجادلك في زوجها وتشتكي إلى الله والله يسمع تحاوركما إن الله سميع بصير.
Indeed, Allah has heard the statement of her that disputes with you concerning her husband and complains to Allah. And Allah hears the argument between you both. Verily, Allah is all-hearer, all-seer.
الذين يظاهرون منكم من نسائهم ما هن أمهاتهم إن أمهاتهم إلا اللائي ولدنهم وإنهم ليقولون منكرا من القول وزورا وإن الله لعفو غفور.
Those among you who make their wives unlawful to them by saying to them, "You are like my mother's back." They cannot be their mothers. None can be their mothers except those who gave them birth. And verily they utter an ill word and a lie. And verily Allah is oft pardoning, oft forgiving.
والذين يظاهرون من نسائهم ثم يعودون لما قالوا فتحرير رقبة من قبل أن يتماسا ذلكم توعظون به والله بما تعملون خبير.
And those who make unlawful to them their wives by saying to them, "You are like my mother's back," and wish to free themselves from what they uttered, the penalty in that case is the freeing of a slave before they touch each other. That is an admonition to you so that you may not repeat such an ill thing. And Allah is all aware of what you do.
فمن لم يجد فصيام شهرين متتابعين من قبل أن يتماسا فمن لم يستطع فإطعام 60 مسكينا ذلك لتؤمنوا بالله ورسوله وتلك حدود الله وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ.
And he who finds not the money for freeing a slave must fast 2 consecutive months before they both touch each other. And he who is unable to do so should feed 60 of the needy. That is in order that you may have perfect faith in Allah and His Messenger. These are the limits set by Allah. And for disbelievers, there is a painful torment.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله كبتوا كما كبت الذين من قبلهم وقد أنزلنا آيات بينات وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ.
Verily, those who oppose Allah and His Messenger will be disgraced, as those before them were disgraced. And we have sent down clear proofs and revelations, and for the disbelievers is a disgraceful torment.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فينبئهم بما عملوا أحصاه الله ونسوه والله على كل شيء شهيد.
On the day when Allah will resurrect them all together and inform them of what they did. Allah has kept account of it while they have forgotten it. And Allah is witness over all things.
ألم تر أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ما يكون من نجوى ثلاثة إلا هو رابعهم ولا خمسة إلا هو سادسهم ولا أدنى من ذلك ولا أكثر إلا هو معهم أينما كانوا ثم ينبئهم بما عملوا يوم القيامة إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Have you not seen that Allah knows whatsoever is in the heavens and whatsoever is on the earth? There is no secret council of three, but He is their fourth with His knowledge. Nor of five, but He is their sixth with His knowledge. Nor of less than that, or more, but He is with them with His knowledge wheresoever they may be. And afterwards, on the day of resurrection, He will inform them of what they did. Verily, Allah is the all-knower of everything.
ألم تر إلى الذين نهوا عن النجوى ثم يعودون لما نهوا عنه ويتناجون بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وإذا جاءوك حيوك بما لم يحيك به الله ويقولون في أنفسهم لولا يعذبنا الله بما نقول حسبهم جهنم يصلونها فبئس المصير.
Have you not seen those who were forbidden to hold secret councils and afterwards returned to that which they had been forbidden and conspired together for sin and wrongdoing and disobedience to the messenger? And when they come to you, they greet you with a greeting wherewith Allah greets you not, and say within themselves, why should Allah punish us not for what we say? Hell will be sufficient for them. They will burn therein, and worst indeed is that destination.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا تناجيتم فلا تتناجوا بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وتناجوا بالبر والتقوى واتقوا الله الذي إليه تحشرون.
O you who believe, when you hold secret counsel, do it not for sin and wrongdoing and disobedience towards the messenger, but do it for righteousness and virtues and piety, and fear Allah unto whom you shall be gathered.
إنما النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا وليس بضارهم شيئا إلا بإذن الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Secret counsels of conspiracies are only from Shaitan, in order that he may cause grief to the believers. But he cannot harm them in the least except as Allah permits. And in Allah let the believers put their trust.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا قيل لكم تفسحوا في المجالس فافسحوا يفسح الله لكم وإذا قيل انشزوا تنشزوا يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات والله بما تعملون خبير.
O you who believe, when you are told to make room in the assemblies, spread out and make room. And Allah will give you ample room from His mercy. And when you are told to rise up, rise up. Allah will exalt in degree those of you who believe and those who have been granted knowledge. And Allah is well acquainted with what you do.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا ناجيتم الرسول فقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقة ذلك خير لكم وأطهر فإن لم تجدوا فإن الله غفور رحيم.
O you who believe, when you want to consult the messenger in private, spend something in charity before your private consultation. That will be better and purer for you. But if you find not the means for it, then verily Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful.
أأشفقتم أن تقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقات فإذ لم تفعلوا وتاب الله عليكم فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأطيعوا الله ورسوله والله خبير بما تعملون.
Are you afraid of spending in charity before your private consultation with Him? If then you do it not and Allah has forgiven you, then at least perform prayer and give charity and obey Allah and His Messenger. And Allah is all aware of what you do.
ألم تر إلى الذين تولوا قوما غضب الله عليهم ما هم منكم ولا منهم ويحلفون على الكذب وهم يعلمون.
Have you not seen those hypocrites who take as friends a people upon whom is the wrath of Allah? They are neither of you nor of them, and they swear to a lie while they know.
أعد الله لهم عذابا شديدا إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
Allah has prepared for them a severe torment. Evil indeed is that which they used to do.
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله فلهم عذاب مهين.
They have made their oaths a screen for their evil actions. Thus they hinder men from the path of Allah, so they shall have a humiliating torment.
لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
Their children and their wealth will avail them nothing against Allah. They will be the dwellers of the fire to dwell therein forever.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فيحلفون له كما يحلفون لكم ويحسبون أنهم على شيء ألا إنهم هم الكاذبون.
On the day when Allah will resurrect them all together for their account, then they will swear to Him as they swear to you, and they think that they have something to stand upon. Verily, they are liars.
استحوذ عليهم الشيطان فأنساهم ذكر الله أولئك حزب الشيطان ألا إن حزب الشيطان هم الخاسرون.
Shaitan has overpowered them, so he has made them forget the remembrance of Allah. They are the party of Shaitan. Verily, it is the party of Shaitan that will be the losers.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله أولئك في الأذلين.
Those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, they will be among the most humiliated.
كتب الله لأغلبن أنا ورسلي إن الله قوي عزيز.
Allah has decreed, verily, it is I and my messengers who shall be the victorious. Verily, Allah is all-powerful, almighty.
لا تجد قوما يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر يوادون من حاد الله ورسوله ولو كانوا آباءهم أو أبناءهم أو إخوانهم أو عشيرتهم أولئك كتب في قلوبهم الإيمان وأيدهم بروح منه ويدخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه أولئك حزب الله ألا إن حزب الله هم المفلحون.
You, O Muhammad, will not find any people who believe in Allah and the last day making friendship with those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even though they were their fathers, or their sons, or their brothers, or their kindred people. For such He has written faith in their hearts and strengthened them with proofs and true guidance from Himself. And He will admit them to gardens under which rivers flow, to dwell therein forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they with Him. They are the party of Allah. Verily, it is the party of Allah that will be the successful.